Welcome. In this updated guide, we will show you how to determine if someone has restricted you on Snapchat. Follow these steps to check if you have been restricted by a user on the platform. Step 1. Search for the user. Open Snapchat and utilize the search feature to search for the user's name or username. If the user does not appear in the search results, it is likely that they have restricted you. Step 2. Check your friends list. Go to your profile and select My Friends. Look for the person's name in your friends list. If their name is not listed, it indicates they may have restricted you. Step 3. Look at your chat history. Check your chat history with the person to see if it is still visible. If the conversation has disappeared from the chat tab, it suggests that you may have been restricted by the user. Step 4. Use another account. Attempt to search for the person using a different Snapchat account. If you can find the user with another account, but not with your current account, it is probable that they have restricted you. By following these steps, you can determine if someone has restricted you on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you understand how to identify if you have been restricted by a user on the platform. Use these methods to check if you have been restricted and adjust your interactions accordingly.